Hi, I'm Jay Johnson, founder of WindowPurchase.com, which of course is an interactive learning center to teach you more about windows and doors. Also, my paperback that came out in 2012, What Window Companies Don't Want You to Know, that's getting a complete makeover this year, and it'll be featured at the 2020 Book Fair Festival in Tucson, Arizona, mid-March. And I'm going to stay with the same title, but the subtitle is going to be New Interactive Paperback and Website Edition, because the questions in the book will correspond with a lot of videos I've been putting up on my website. Right now there's 79 videos up, but within the next 30 to 60 days you'll see over 100 videos on the website. Anyway, here's your tip of the day. Laws of physics. To get a better window or door, you have to understand what it's physically trying to do. Here's your 4 things. A truly better window or door, truly better, factually, not assumptively because you spent money, is going to keep, remember heat moves to cold, is going to keep heat in better in the winter, it's going to keep heat out better in the summer, it's going to reduce the noise level inside the house, and it's going to protect things inside the home from fading, carpet, wood floors, furniture, stuff like that. So a lot of people don't really understand that, and when they go out and buy new windows and doors, they just assume it's going to be better. As a matter of fact, when I did this book in 2012, chapter 1, I literally called Common Assumptions. Common Assumptions. And the very first one on the bottom is, assumption, is I'm sure no matter what I get, it's got to be better than what I have. Quit assuming that. There are specific performance ratings you should be getting, or should I say you should be given, on windows or doors, which most companies don't, hence why the book's called What Window Companies Don't Want You to Know. And without getting these performance ratings, all you're doing is out there spending money, you cast a net out, you drag 3 or 4 companies come in, you listen to the long-winded presentations, and then really what you're doing is you're comparing prices, because without getting the right information, it's impossible to compare apples to apples to see if it's even same quality or same performance ratings. It's absolutely impossible. If I'm out trying to rate a company, I need to know the same things I teach in my book and the same things I talk about on my website. So anyway, I hope this video helps. That's my tip of the day. Heat moves to cold, Laws of Physics 101. Thank you very much. If you like my channel, please subscribe.